What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from I Did You Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, and the reason we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, 80% of the sales that you bring in. Now if you're an affiliate marketer, you know that's insane. That's insane. So even if you don't follow these steps, at least get the program so you can. This is the best program to promote, period. All right. So guys, you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, we're gonna look and see if we got a sale. We did not. Looks like we didn't get a sale here. We're gonna refresh the page and make sure. Alright guys, like I stated before, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. So first and foremost, let's get started with this. We need to get you your links. Alright, so I want to make sure I clarify, this is the link that I personally use. It promotes 3 products. That's the reason why I use it, but you can use any link that you want here guys. It doesn't matter, any link that you want to use. It might be more effective with the method that I'm going to show you how to promote this product to you to rotate your links actually. Yeah. Okay, so first and foremost guys, once you get your link, this is how you get your link. There's a link in the description. It should say something like incomespeaks.com. All right, you click on that. It's going to take you to this page here. This page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? Essentially what it is, if you're interested, it's a funnel builder. It's $25 per month and you can make as many funnels as you want. It's pretty easy to understand overall when it compares to other funnel builders, like say for example ClickFunnels. It's a little easier to build around in that, and you know, understanding that, because you got to kind of learn ClickFunnels when you sign up for it. You got to kind of learn how it works and stuff when you do that. And I know you guys who are affiliate marketers know what I'm talking about, and know that ClickFunnels is over $100 a month. So yeah, you want to, $25 a month for a funnel builder is absolutely fantastic. All right, so this is what we're gonna do guys. I want to also talk about the how much money you can make. Is $20 and $100. That means you can make $120 off of each customer. You get about 10 of those, and that's at least rent. All right, that's at least rent. So yeah, for all that promoting, blah blah blah. They also get a charity as well if you're interested in that. Anyway guys, you decide you want to try this out. We click on yes. All right, hit in our information right here, basic information, blah blah blah. Hit the button, buy the product, right? But one more thing I want to do before you do that, I want to talk about this right here. This is what you get if you click on my link in the description guys. You get 14 free days with HBA Premium. Now what HBA Premium is it's basically teaching you how to set up ads, how to start Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it may be, how to set it up properly and really get it going. You know what I mean? It also has an AI content creation machine that helps you create content for blogs, articles, YouTube, Instagram posts, whatever it be, right? Which is fantastic. And yeah, you can get that free. Now the coolest thing about HBA Premium is that if you get a sale with HBA Premium, you keep that money even though you don't technically own HBA Premium with the free 14-day free test drive. All right, guys, really cool. All right, so yeah, complete all the game steps, blah blah blah. Okay, real cool. Now we need to promote the product. All right, guys, and this is the absolute easiest way to promote this product I have found. There are more effective ways out there, but this is the easiest by far. All right, so first thing and foremost you want to do is click on my second link. It's going to take you to this right here, and this is my lead gen secret. Excuse me. What my lead gen secrets is essentially they give you 100 leads per day that you can email once per day. So day 1 you get 100 leads, day 2 you get 200 leads you can email, so on and so forth, till it adds up over and over and over again, right? So as long as you stay in the system. And the coolest thing about this is that you can make a lot of money. So simple once you get your emails, right? And now we can pick an email that ChatGPT has written us, and that's what I think we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna get an email that ChatGPT has written us. Yeah, this is an email that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. And we're just gonna rotate this email here. As you can see, it's very simple email there. You can just copy that, guys. Just pause the video. You want to copy the subject and the body here. Very simple email here. It's written for us by ChatGPT. I just typed in one of my emails and told it to make another one like it in ChatGPT. So that's what you can do if you want to do it like that. I want to go ahead and give you the ChatGPT written for us solid email. I like it. I think it's good. I want to hit perfect timing. What that does, it's going to send the email around the time that people get email. Alright, guys, I'm going to hit well, and look at this. I want to make sure your link works. If your link doesn't work, they can't buy the product. You can't make money off of it. Make sure the link works every single time and send the email, and then you're done. That's all it takes, guys. And make sure you do this every day. You can do this every day. As you can see how long it took to do it. All you really need, once you get all your emails in there, take about about 30 seconds a day. Yeah, come to my lead gen secrets, click on the email, send it. Boom, you're done. Once you got a bunch of emails in the system, guys. Really easy and significant. Now, one more thing before we get out of here, guys. Consistency is key when it comes to making money online. Whatever you're doing, stay consistent with it. Keep posting, keep emailing. None of these emails, keep doing it. Do it every single day. It's very important. Do it every single day. Even if it looks like it's not working, do it every single day. Because it's going to slowly start working. And then one day you're going to get something that goes viral. And then it's easy selling from then on in. It ain't even going to be it's going to be hard to not do it every day after that point, because I definitely make money doing it. And once you find that out, if I do this, I'll make this amount of money. Once you figure that out, you're set. That's all it takes, guys. Make sure to do that. All right, consistency is key. Don't worry about how good your videos look. Don't worry about if you got the best quotes when it comes to posts. Just make sure you're posting every day, whatever you want to do. My recommended method would be to create shorts. Create Instagram Reels shorts, and post them on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. That's what I do. And whichever one is taking off, put a little bit more effort into that one and post a lot more on it. And that's how you do that, guys. That's what I do. Alright, that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.